I can truly say that Little Rock's been a great place to live. Whether you have interests that draw you to doing things outdoors with hiking or doing kind of float trips or going downtown to catch a live music show, Little Rock really has something for everyone.
I've loved living in Little Rock. It's a really easy place to live. There's just tons of things to do outside of work. You actually do get to have a life outside of work, which is amazing. We have all sorts of outdoor stuff to do. Specifically, me and some of the residents and even some of the staff, we go and do paddleboard yoga. There's a lot of great hiking around, and so there's multiple opportunities to do that kind of thing. So it's just been a really great place and easy place to live.
My favorite part of residency is just finally getting to do what I've wanted to do since I was 5 years old. So really just coming here, interacting with the patients, meeting the residents, learning from them, learning how to put on splints, see consults, getting to put in like a screw in the operating room, really just kind of doing the things that I've been looking forward to my whole life finally. That's been the best part of residency so far.
Being in this program has allowed me to fully understand what it's like to be an orthopedic surgeon in a variety of subspecialties, and that's allowed me to not only kind of pick through things that I like and don't like, but also see what my life would look like after I finish residency and fellowship, and has allowed me to figure out what I'm going to do with my life moving forward, in addition to just enjoying being with everyone else while I'm here training.
The UAMS and Arkansas Children's Hospital are the only level 1 trauma centers, both for adults and kids in the state, so we get plenty of diverse trauma pathology. In terms of diversity as well, we're the only state's hand replant center, so all traumatic hand injuries that require replantations, fingers, hands, or forearms, come to us. It's commonly touted as a big speaking point on our program because our hand attendings say that we do more replantations here than they did in their years of fellowship.
At UAMS, the primary focus for us is coming out competent surgeons. I think it's a huge benefit, and it's something that I looked at in residency programs, that we have a huge catchment area. We're the only level 1 trauma center in the state, and I could tell that residents coming out of here knew how to operate.
We're really not lacking for experience in any specialty, which I think is really unique to our program. We get to work with different staff, whether it's sports, hands, etc. Then we get to see the different ways that they do things, which is really, I think, beneficial as a resident.
The most important thing to me personally was to know that I'd leave the program being both competent and confident in the OR. And part of that would be to have access to good, hands-on surgical training from early on. And I think UAMS does a fantastic job with that. It's really a see one, do one, teach one program where even the junior residents get to participate in the OR.
It's really kind of a family type culture here that actually bleeds really well into the operative experience as well, because a lot of times it's you and your upper level resident doing a lot of the cases. So it's also a really good educational experience to get to learn from your peers and get to actually practice. So as the official healthcare partner of the Arkansas Razorbacks, residents have the opportunity to cover any Razorback sporting event. So having the opportunity to cover college athletics is really a unique experience to cover high-level athletes and see what that's really like, and gives us early exposure to see if that's something we're interested in doing once we do graduate from here.
The UAMS Orthopedic Surgery Residency Program is one where you'll get to operate, you'll have fantastic exposure to research and patient care, and it's a family-oriented atmosphere where you'll make a lot of great new friends.